Hello students, this EVS session we are doing some exercise. Chapter 9, it's raining. Here we have some questions, workbook, page number 43. First question, when do you see a rainbow in the sky? We can see rainbow after the rain. Second question, what are the colors of the rainbow? The 7 colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. See, how is a rainbow formed? Rainbow is formed when sunlight shines through water particles in the rain. Do you think there are rainbows on the moon? As there is no rain, there is no rainbow on the moon. Next, textbook, page number 16. Question number 1. What will happen if the banana trees do not get water? The banana trees will droop if it do not get water. Where do the plants get water which grow around your house? The plants growing around my house get water from rain. Have you seen animals drinking water? Where? Yes, I have seen animals drinking water in the following places: pond, rivers and drains. Next question. Have you ever given water to any animal? If yes, how does the animal drinks water? Yes, I have given water to cow and dog. Cow sucks the water through its mouth and dog laps the water with its tongue. Workbook, page number 46. Question number 4. With the help of the following diagram showing the water cycle, complete the sentences given below. Fill in the blanks. A. Rays of the sun dry up the water. Water changes into water vapor due to sun's heat. Water vapor rises up to form clouds. Lots of small droplets join together and form raindrops. Clouds bring rain on land. Number 5. Answer the following question. Are there some particular animals seen on after rainy day? If yes, name them. Yes. When it rains, the animals like earthworm, snake, snail, frog, turtles and fish etc. are commonly seen. Question number B. Rain brings happiness to many faces, but it also saddens some people. Can you state why? Answer. When it rains, the plants look greener and fresh. Children play with paper boats and dance in the rain. Peacocks spread their feathers and dance in the rain. However, sometimes rain leads to waterlogging, due to which the drains get blocked. So, rain brings happiness to many faces, but it also saddens some people. Next is C. Why is rain important? Rain is very important for the survival of plants and animals. It brings fresh water to the earth. If there is no rain, then our crops will not get any water. Many people store rainwater and use it as drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. D. Are all the plants watered by anyone? If no, then from where do they get water? No, all the plants watered by anyone. Plants absorb water through their roots, stems and leaves.